This is the Presto MyJo that I just got on Amazon, and I'm going to do the unboxing for you. This is a manual K-cup maker. I saw this online. I thought this was pretty cool, so I wanted to try it, and I figured I'd do the unboxing and we'll try it out. This, I'm thinking, if you're in the woods and you want an easy way to make coffee, an easy way to transport coffee, obviously, is the K-cups. So you don't need to worry about packing the coffee in a bag or a container. It's already in its own container. And this is convenience, my friends. You can use this camping, anything like that. So I figured I'd unbox it. We'll give it a shot, see what happens. So, without further ado, with my holy crap, that's good coffee J&O mug. Thank you, sis. We'll give this a shot. So we'll open this up here. And of course, we got directions. Yeah, who needs directions, right? We'll figure it out. I'm a guy. So in other words, I'll be getting another one because I broke it. Okay, so you have a top, you have your main container, which is all plastic. It's got a little rubber part here to hold it. You have a disposable K-cup container if you want to use your own grounds, which eventually I probably will do. I like freshly ground coffee. And then this is the lid. So what we'll do is pop that on there like that. Take this apart. There's your little, I don't know if you can see that, but that's your little, like the needle in the K-cup, in a Keurig machine that punctures your K-cup. Get a K-cup here. Okay, so what you do is you put your K-cup in there. Push this on and turn it, I guess. This goes over your cup like this. Pour your hot water in. Try to keep this in frame here. Put your lid on. Just pushes on. It's actually pretty easy. And I don't know if I can get this all in frame, guys. Here, hang on. And then you just push your top down. And what it does is it creates a vacuum that will force the water through. I don't think I have the top on right. Yeah, I didn't have the top on right. Hang on. This is why you do things on TV. For the first shot like this, You make all your mistakes, everybody sees it, they get to laugh at you. I'll get all kinds of text messages later. Like, haha, dumbass. Alright. There we go, now I got pressure. I'm not doing something right here. Alright, so I want to show you what happened. It was not my fault for not reading the directions. Even though I'm still going to get text messages from, I know, my sister, brother-in-law. Anyway, what happened was I read the instructions because I couldn't get any water to flow. There's a question and answer part in the back of the book, and what it says is that if you cannot get water to flow, inside here is this little plastic seal. It's like an O-ring. It says, directly from the book, on occasion the slit in the silicone valve may reseal after manufacturing. This prevents water from being expelled through the unit. Remove the valve from inside bottom of the reservoir, pinch the valve, and rotate it between your fingers until the slit opens. That's exactly what happened. It's exactly what happened is it was resealed. So I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little slit in there that had resealed from the manufacturer apparently. So I'm going to put this back in and we're going to try this again. I didn't think this should be a fail. I was like, seems like a pretty decent product. Of course, I would do my first unboxing and get the broken one. Alright, so to review. In there, I don't know if you can see that or not. In there is a needle. That punctures your K-cup, just like your regular Keurig does. Push your K-cup in. Screw this together. I'm going to add water again. Put the silicone pump lid thingy back on. Pump lid thingy. Boy, I don't think Presto or any company will ever give me free stuff to review for them, huh? Alright, and then push down. Hey, it's working. So basically, all you do is push down on this. And you see that, guys? There we go. You just you hold it down until it goes through. And that's it, guys. Look at that. That thing's awesome. I love it. So there you go. That is the Presto MyJo. Guess what's going camping with me? Alright, so if you guys want coffee in the woods, when you go camping, you don't have electric, maybe you don't want to use electric. Maybe you're lazy like me and you're sitting around a campfire and you don't want to have to go into the Keurig and get a cup of coffee. I can do it at the fire now. All I need to do is heat water over the fire. Boom! I got coffee. Thank you guys. Let me know what you think. Take care and God bless.